अभी शिप पे पानी कैसे बनता है ना, बहुत से लोग दे आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, लाइक इवन माय फ्रेंड्स हु आर एक्चुअली नॉट रिलेटेड टू शिपिंग, हु आर नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद एनी मेरीटाइम कल्चर. सो दे नॉर्मली आस्क सर ये कि भाई ये पानी कैसे बनता है जहाज पे, लाइक हाउ मच वाटर डू यू स्टोर एंड हाउ डू यू प्रोड्यूस सो मच ऑफ वाटर एंड देयर इज सॉल्ट वाटर आउटसाइड एंड हाउ यू ड्रिंक, हाउ डू यू मैनेज. So see, let's see all these things. There is freshwater generator. That is very common thing. Freshwater generators are installed on board, and these are very big generators. They take salt water from outside, from the sea, which is very easily available. Salt water they take in, they filter it, and the freshwater generator actually creates a fresh water which actually is tested for normal drinking of a human being. So that is how we create fresh water on board, and this is a commonly asked question. That's why I actually took this thing in this video, because today only two people actually sitting with me in my office, they actually asked me, how do you produce water there? How do you manage to sail for 1 month or 2 months, and you have maybe few bottles of water, few couple of hundred of bottles. But actually we don't depend only upon on bottles. There is a fresh water generator, there is designated fresh water tanks, maybe 2 or maybe 3, with total capacity almost 300 tons on an average. 300 to 350 tons is a normal average of freshwater tanks all together on board ship. So in case there is any shortage of water from like mineral water bottles, we always have this available. This water is actually tested by competent authorities, competent agencies. They test this water and they approve with the certificate that this water is actually okay for drinking by humans. So this is how we generate water. Thank you.